And guess what? The students are learning Spanish much more quicker because the secret of teaching, the secret of advancing the learning curve is generally one-on-one teaching. So now you've got AI sharing this knowledge and feedback to the student. And now they're utilizing technology to create the foreign language in a much more eloquent way, as opposed to, I'm going to wait for my teacher in the 40 minutes that I have. I'm going to maybe get 2 minutes of feedback because I'm in a classroom of 30. So here's a great example of the school district embracing AI, saving time and more effective teaching. So this is a great, this is a great use case for school districts to consider. And then I shared with them all the other ways they can be using AI to really help the students learn things that they may not have had time to learn, and show them that they could weave AI into every single class. And this is something that they may have considered, may not have considered, but they were really, I can tell you, they were leaning on the side of business. It was business classes that were going to cover AI, and they were embracing it. And I could share with you the projects that they're working on, but they weren't
Sure.
thinking about it from an English perspective. They weren't including it from a history perspective or a math perspective. So these are things that can open up the doors. And certainly, if you want to learn more about the hundreds of ideas, innovative ideas, and the most important thing, engaging ideas with students. And so this is the element that's hard for teachers, is that you've got 25 kids in the classroom, and they're all learning differently, and they're all either keeping up or they're not keeping up. And certainly some of the subject matter is not always exciting and compelling for each person. So
That's true.
certainly personalizing and customizing and utilizing AI can be a engaging activity. I even told them theater could be using it, the music section could be using it,
Sure.
and more excitingly, they could be involved in the decision making of the assignments, which really gives them more confidence of selecting their own type of assignments for this. And now you've got personalized and customized learning in a 25 seat classroom.